I've been interested in wildlife photography since I was young, and I'm currently starting to get into hunting, but need all the help I can get. So today, I'm setting up a pop-up hunting blind, so I can hide from the wildlife and get that perfect shot. Now whether I'm taking a photo or looking for dinner, I'll be ready. And this hunting blind comes shipped to your door, ready for you to hide from nature as well. Inside the box, you have a nice travel bag with handles. Slide the hunting blind out of the bag, and sewn inside the bag, you'll find your instructions. Unbuckle the hunting blind and unroll it to find your support rods, as well as your stakes and paracord. To get started, fully lay out the hunting blind, and then pull up the center handle and pop out the roof of the tent. Then pull each one of the sides until they pop out and lock into place. After all the sides are secure, you can unzip the doors and go inside. Then, you could Velcro your support rods on the inside of the hunting blind. Now it's lightweight enough that you can position it where you want it, so make any adjustments you need and then stake it down on all sides to hold it in place. Then your hunting blind is set up and ready to go. The first thing I noticed is the magnets on the zipper door. They snap together, giving you extra security. You can also use just the magnets to shut the door, so you can quickly and quietly get in and out of the blind. Then inside of the blind, you can see about 270 degrees around you, the zipper doors being the only solid area. But the doors do have windows that you can open if you want to use that side. The rest has a mesh that you can see through, and slots on 3 walls that you can open and shoot through. There's a big mesh pocket on 2 of the walls that you can use to store some items. Then outside of the blind has straps surrounding it. You could slide in some grass or shrubbery and help camouflage your blind even more. But already, from the outside, you can hardly see anyone on the inside when it's closed up. And from a distance, you would have no idea what hit you. I set up my target and took some shots from the blind, and it was so cool seeing the arrows just appear and hit the target. I'm completely camouflaged in the distance, without any extra help. I also put a bird feeder out nearby, and used it to take some photos. I could close up the curtains around the lens, so nothing is showing, and still see what's going on through the mesh screen. As you can see here, the phone is clearly visible through the mesh, but my phone can't see me at all. Too cool. Now whether it's with the crossbow or the camera, I'll be ready for that perfect shot. Overall, I'm really impressed with this hunting blind. Now it says it can hold 3 to 4 people, but I think it would be most comfortable with 1 to 2 people. For me alone, I had a lot of space to spread out and store my stuff. I will say though, it would have been a lot easier to set up if I had someone holding the handle on the other side. It's lightweight, yet rigid enough that it took a few attempts to pop out the sides by myself. Not really a complaint, just a tip to bring a friend during setup. So if you're looking for a nice pop-up hunting blind that's lightweight enough you can carry it with you, this one from Hunson might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go take some more bird photos. See ya.